Hi beauties! This is the second half of my bridal makeup tutorial, so to speak. If you haven't watched it, I will leave it in the iCards for you above right here, or I will leave it at the end so you can watch it when this one is done. So this footage is just here so I can say hi to you, but this is going to be our eyelash review. I found this on Amazon. Let me show you what it looked like. It's so washed out. There we go. 3 pairs of eyelashes, magnetic eyelashes, a magnetic lash glue, and this eyelash tweezer, and the brand is MRONOS. MRONOS. Child, don't ask me. But today's video is gonna be a two for. I was just gonna do basic makeup and try that magnetic eyeshadow. But since I had to redo this bridal makeup, I really love my Mary Kay eyeliner pen, so that's what I use to do my line. To me, it comes out the cleanest and I always get a good result. But this is a liquid eyeliner. It's not lash glue. It's a magnetic eyeliner, so I'm supposed to be able to use it just like regular eyeliner and use it with or without the eyelashes. So I'm gonna see how that works. What I'm gonna do, my plan is to trace my eyeliner with the magnetic eyeliner and then let that dry, and then you're supposed to be able to just plop them on. But it looks dry. So I'm gonna put my mascara on now. I'm trying to do it with as light a hand as I have, because I am heavy-handed. So here we go. I hope this works. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 magnetic spots on there. And so I'm supposed to be able to just like drop it on and have it stick. They are sticking because they're sticking to the tweezer. Let me use my hand. Oh yeah, they are sticking. That's weird.
Mommy, do not make them.
Those feel like they're on there. They're a little long, so I should cut them for my eye size. For my eye size. Not gonna bother with that right now. Got stuff to do. They give me a tweezer, but it seems to work better when I just use my fingers and just put them on. I think these are better with a thicker line of glue. I don't know how confident I feel with them in public. I mean, this is fun. This is super fun. Like, you can wear lashes every day. I'm gonna try them again with a thicker line. Right now, they're on. I'm about to go in public. So we'll see what happens. Alright, beauties. So I know I look a little different. I know I look a lot of different. But yeah, this is just to tell you how much I really wanted this to work. I thought it was such a great little thing, but then it failed on me. And I thought, okay, well, I put the Mary Kay liner down, so maybe it was causing some kind of interference. So right now I'm doing it with nothing else on my face, not even mascara, nothing. And then also, you know, with the bridal look I had a very thin line. I wanted it to look kind of dainty. So I actually went out, came back, and then I put a thick line because it totally spoils the makeup look. And that's one thing. If I ever had to wear like a super thick liner just to keep these on, to me that's already a fail, you know? I shouldn't have to amend my makeup to fit my lashes. Like, that don't make no sense. So they stick, and you know, it comes with a magnetic strip that they're attached to in the case. So the magnets are good. My problem, I think, is with actually the liquid liner. I figure it has some kind of iron filing or some metallic shavings in there to make the magnet stick, but I don't know. Look, even as I'm talking, it is actually coming off as I speak. I don't know if you could see, like right here, I could see that in my line of vision. That's crazy. The same exact thing happened when I did the bridal makeup. At the end of that video, that lash was like just up. So they click. You feel them click on to the liner, and it is better with the fingers. The tweezer is metallic, so it kind of sticks to the tweezer. Yeah, they stick, like they're on, but I can't wear these in public because when I stick down here, this part comes up. Oh, that's another thing. This liner is super thick, in my opinion. I don't wear eyeliner this thick, so that's thick to me, just to get these to stick. And these are the magnets here. That's what the magnets look like. So as you see, the magnets are on the back of the lash. So the lash has to really stick onto your eyelashes like this. But my eyelashes naturally curl up, and I need my eyelash to sit on my eye like this. So maybe that's why it keeps kicking off, because my natural lashes are pushing this up. Needless to say, I am horribly disappointed. I feel like what a waste, and I wouldn't want anybody to go and buy these. I really wanted to love it. I'm not even gonna lie. I really wanted to love it. Alright, beauties. Sorry to end on a sad note, but like this video if you like this video. Subscribe if you're feeling my vibe. You can do that by clicking my face. And I will leave a couple more videos for you to check out here, and I'll see you in one of those. Alright? Bye.